Alright guys, so just want to show you guys the high pressure sodium floodlights. Right there. There are some high pressure sodium floodlights. This camera quality is garbage. Yes, I know. So you may not be able to see the light. Oh, I'm just doing the video. Yeah. But yeah, you may not be able to see the amber color of these high pressure sodium lights. They are high pressure sodium. Just that this camera quality is really old, so it's really hard to see them. I'm gonna be getting a new camera soon. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a video of them. Thanks for watching.